How your Google review page gets linked to your product. When your ReviewBoost plaque, card, or stand arrives, you'll find a small, unique 5-digit activation code printed underneath the QR code. Make a quick note of this code. Next, open your phone's camera and scan the QR code on your product. This will automatically open our free ReviewBoost app. Once inside the app, tap Add New next to My ReviewBoost Products, enter your 5-digit activation code, and press Continue. Then, search for your business name exactly as it appears on Google, confirm the details are correct, and press Submit. Your product is now linked directly to your Google review page. From this moment on, any customer can tap their phone on your plaque or scan the QR code, and they'll be taken straight to your Google review page. There are no apps for them to download and no complicated steps. Just tap and review. The entire setup takes less than 2 minutes, even if you're not tech savvy. After setup, you can also connect your Google business profile to your establishments by pressing Add New Business. Once connected, you'll be able to see all your Google reviews, reply to them with AI, and even dispute any false negative reviews. Inside the ReviewBoost app, you can send email and SMS review requests, survey your customers, post across all your social media accounts from one place, respond to emails, Facebook, and Instagram messages without switching between accounts, and create or schedule new posts to publish across all your platforms simultaneously. When you purchase a ReviewBoost product, you're not just getting a plaque, card, or stand, you're getting access to a complete business reputation management platform designed to help your business grow faster, strengthen customer relationships, and build lasting trust.